Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limits. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to do, we need to sketch the graph. So now that should be like this. This one that is about piecewise function. So at s equals to negative number 9, I will put negative number 9 in here. So when s is smaller than negative number 9, we have f of s equals to number 15. So number 15 that should be in here. And we will draw the point in here. When s is smaller than negative number 9, so we have y equal to number 15. That will be like this. And the next one, we don't have equal sign, so we draw the point in here. The next one, negative number s plus 6 from negative number 9 to positive number 2. So positive number 2 I will put in here. Because negative number 9 belongs to this function, so I will put negative number 9 cone here. So this one we have number 15. So that means the value in here, we have the black dot in here. So that means the white dot and the black dot combine together. So we have the black dot. And now we put number 2 cone here. So we have positive number 4. So we need to connect 2 points in here. The next one, when s equals to number 2, we have number 3. So number 3 should be in here. Because we have the value at s equals to number 2, that's why we have the black dot. And the next one, when s is greater than number 2, we have f of s equals to number 6. So number 6 should be in here. Because we don't have the equal sign at number 2, that's why we have the white dot. And now we need to find the limit. So when s approaches to negative number 9 on the left, they go in this way. So when they reach about this value in here, that is about y equal to number 15. So we have number 15 in here. S approach to negative number 9 on the right. On the right, they will go from here to here. So when they go close to negative number 9, we have number 15. We see that the limit on the left equals to the limit on the right. That means we can find the value of this one, and that should be about 15. The next one, number 2 on the left. Number 2 on the left, they will go to from here to here. And this one, that is about positive number 4. Number 2 on the right, they will go in this way. So that is about number 6. Because on the left and on the right of number 2, they are not the same. So the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.